This is a demonstration of a modified pistol squat using a power rack, chains, and exercise handles, an ideal solution for individuals with limited balance, joint concerns, or recovering from back injuries. Begin by attaching two heavy-duty chains to the top of a power rack. At the bottom of each chain, secure exercise handles at a comfortable height. This setup provides support similar to suspension trainers, offering stability without compromising the benefits of single leg training. To perform the movement, stand tall between the chains, gripping the exercise handles firmly, raise one leg forward, and slowly lower into a squat on the supporting leg. Use the handles to assist with balance and to control the descent. Focus on keeping the chest lifted, the core engaged, and the motion smooth and controlled. This variation engages the glutes, quads, hamstrings, and core while reducing strain on the spine and joints. It allows for safe progression in lower body strength and stability, especially for those managing post surgical recovery or balance limitations. Modified pistol squats with chain and handle support offer a safe, effective path to strong legs without risking injury. Like, comment, and share if this variation helps bring confidence back to leg day.